Good morning and welcome to Beach House 5. We're in the process of doing all of the finishing work now for the home, so we thought it would be interesting to have a sneak peek before the furniture arrives. And there's a lot of work going on this week because we're finishing off a lot of the custom joinery which we designed with the client, and for instance this big media unit where their TV and everything is going to go, also hiding an air conditioning unit. And here we are in the main living area, which is really spacious. There's a beautiful breeze here because we're slightly southeast facing. I'll save the outdoor area for another video, but this area here is really absolutely beautiful, so spacious. The kitchen team are coming in this week as well to finish off, putting in some fluted glass, putting up the backsplash. We've got these teak shelves which were put in just in the last couple of days, all designed and finished here on the island in English Harbour. And then walking through here is the laundry room and the electrical room through there, and we've got solid wood custom doors which we designed with these rattan panels. The joinery work and some of the custom elements of the home are really, I think, what makes it special, and I can't wait for the clients to arrive and see everything finished. So just before the furniture is delivered, which is happening in about half an hour, everything's going to be offloaded and brought from our storage facility, and that's going to take about a week to unpack everything, put it all together, and we'll definitely show you some shots of that as soon as it's done. But continuing through the house here, we've got two guest bedrooms, both en suite on the ground floor. And so this is the first bedroom here, again with custom doors with the rattan weave, lots of lovely storage, and the ensuite bathroom here with the outdoor shower. Coming through here, we've got this really pretty powder room with a wallpaper that has used the print of bamboo from the rainforest. And the second room here, again, really nice and spacious. We have Bahama shutters all around the home, which is a classic Caribbean look. So now let's go upstairs to what is a really spectacular part of the home, which is the master suite overlooking Falmouth Harbour. It's so spacious, I can't wait to show you. This master suite is so spacious and has the best view overlooking all of Falmouth Harbour and towards Pigeon Beach on the other side. And the owners have this really lovely deck with a beautiful breeze. So this is going to be a lovely outdoor lounge area for them, completely private from the rest of the home. And then as we walk through here, this whole suite has vaulted ceilings, really large walk-in closet, and this incredible bathroom, which I think is so pretty when you walk into it with the cocoa shell chandelier and the bar. Lots of space in here. The furniture is going to be offloaded in about half an hour, so I'm going to leave and we'll film the house when it's fully furnished so you can see the finished result. And Kate's here, she's going to be overseeing the whole installation. She's the head of interiors. Thank you, Kate.